Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how to make a repost in Facebook. Write whether my solution helped you and whether you managed to do it on your phone or tablet. If you still have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. So we open up Facebook. We open up the newsfeed. And now we can find any photo, any post that we want to publish to our page and make a repost. Let's say, let's go like this. Let's find a post. We go to this group and let's say we want to publish this post. To do that, we need to click share. We can click share to our page. But if you want to add text, you can click on add any text, any emoticon. You can also choose to make this post active for everyone. For friends or only see us. Let's go ahead and click only me. Exit. Click here. Here we can choose which page we want to publish this post for. Check the box. Let's hit only me again. Done. Once we're done here, we click share. As you can see, it's posting. The post is published. We go to our page. Open it up. And down here a little bit we have this post. Then when you want to delete it, you click on the 3 bars. You can choose move to trash. You do that, and it's deleted. If you like this method and it helped, be sure to post in the comments. Did it work on your phone or tablet? But if you still have any questions, be sure to post below the space in the comments. I will read and answer everyone. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.